Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's start with you. How often do you spend time with your family?
I spend most of time with my family because I live in a joint family. So a couple of times in a day, we meet and eat together, watch TV, and do some other activities.
Okay. Do you spend more time with your family on weekends or during the weekdays?
Well, mostly I spend my time with family on weekends because I don't have to go to work and sometimes we whole family go outside and make some
All of
fun.
us go outside and have fun. Make fun is negative, have fun is positive, okay?
Like,
Make fun is like you're making fun of someone.
okay,
Okay.
have fun.
All right, let's go on. Would you like to live with your family in the future?
Yes, I wish to live with my family in my complete life. So because they support us,
They support me.
they support me in every field of life. So I prefer to live with my family
Yeah, I would
in a
prefer to
future.
live with my family in the future, something like that, okay? All right, let's go on. Who is your most favorite family member? Although you love everyone, but who is your most favorite family member?
Well, there is no doubt. My mother is my most favorite person ever I see, and she really loves me, and
She loves me.
she loves me, and I also have very deep love and pure feelings for her.
All right, that's good. Overall, fine. Just keep it up like this, okay? Now, let's go on. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a lot of friends, but two or three friends I like the most is my childhood friend, because we have joined the school together, and we grow up at
We
one
grew
place.
up, we
We
joined the school together, we grew up
we
together.
grew up together, and that's three friends is very important
Okay,
for me.
how often do you spend time with your friends?
Well, I love to spend with my friends at weekends because
Yeah, I love to spend my weekends with my friends
because it's a good it a good chance of entertainment. So you have to share whole week activities with your friends, and they share with you a lot of activities. So I would prefer to spend time with my friend at
okay,
weekends.
how do you usually communicate with your friends?
Well, at any time in a day when I face some difficulty in my work, and I face some difficulty in my presentation, then I go to contact with my friends.
No, the question is how do you communicate with your friends? Do you communicate with your friends on your mobile phone, on WhatsApp, on social media, or you meet them face to face, or you call your friends? So how do you communicate with your
Well,
friends?
we are living in same hometown, so I would prefer to go at my friend's home and meet with him physically.
Okay, this is better. One last question. Uh, all right. Do you prefer to spend time with your friends or alone?
Well, I would love to spend time with my friends because my friends are a type of funny. So
My friends are jolly.
my friends are jolly. So when I met them,
When I
so
meet with them,
when I meet with them, so I enjoy a lot with their company.
okay, I enjoy their company a lot and all that. Overall, it's good. There are some minor irregularities. Try to overcome them and try to go through all these topics so that you are familiar. Familiar means answers are ready in your mind. Okay?
Okay.
Just like that. Thank you so much. Good.